Well everyone, we've actually just put some surf in here, and it's actually surf with tropical lily and ylang, and also we put in some Leonore linen care. And today we're going to do a wool wash. Suppose you not got the telly on. Was it not? I left up people to see the man with money. What's the rest of it? I left up people my casket.
You could have brought the downy stuff up with you, and you still haven't done it. Tomorrow. But you will bring it tomorrow because you'll forget about it again.
I just have to rush up tomorrow there. Just take my time to the day. Just the trouble because they got up ready. At my leisure. Taking my one's time. And the same thing with crab at the day. Once you be happy when I was going to go work.
few emissions tests and I had the straight yesterday.
Who's what?
I had the straight and got a 3 emissions test
All right, uh-huh.
to see if your car's obviously burning fuel.
Yeah.
She was to see her or something. Uncle D's.
Don't make that as the fucking excuse.
Did they?
No, you won't. You were sitting there watching the telly.
That guy was busy today.
Yeah, he was like one up at Balerno, then he was going to Livingston for the rest of the day, the GS guy.
Really did be busy, eh?
Yeah, well, they can be.
Well, I suppose with probably if his fee says you take a 5-year guarantee on it, what is to sell a lot of washing machines in 5 years.
Oh yeah, they do.
So obviously people get them fixed before they scrap them.
Yeah, I mean, it's like better to just repair them than it is to actually physically scrap them. Hi, Meg.
Saturday.
On the application it asks me how many hours in between maximum hours after work, so I think 4 weeks a week.
My weeks are normal very weeks for 37 and a half. Tell you when you much as you can for
Oh, I try and bang as much overtime as you can because it's like,
I would say 50 days. That's right. Then you get over to the half time. But see if you're doing part time, the overtime, you want to get the normal wage for a full-time worker.
yeah.
Which is, especially if you want the tosh.
Mike, could you give me a
Yeah, half an hour, alright?
But,
Rinse one.
last clerk was telling me Jimmy Gordon's getting the car brakes done.
Oh yeah.
They've done a brakes and taking charge of the 15 quid for them. She said to you want a can of beer? Off your way. She had a can of beer. She's taking the road for it. At the end she could leave his car there, so it was push. I lost that and played darts. After the job's finished, that's the job done. That
Yeah.
the text card that comes. So that's what's called Angie. She used to be a really big fat. I mean, literally she was fat. I mean, she was like that.
Yeah.
That was exaggeration. She was at the airport, must she? She was a big fatty.
Oh aye.
But she went in some sort of crash diet. And Christ, what is she now? She's like,
She's like half the size.
well, she's really thin.
Oh really?
Last year, she no cancer. She's joking. She's no, it's hard. Man. She went to some diet, she went to fruit diet. She eats fruit all the time.
Alright, uh-huh.
And she, it was good to eat the fruit, but Christ, she was fat for her legs. Let's go.
Yeah.
You put a sailboat in my bedroom, you could fart She had that and she had porridge all the time.
Oh yeah.
And the wages don't bother. Some more kids, it's must have lost about at least I reckon 20 stone.
That's quite a lot.
She was really big fat. She was a nice person, she had a fat chubby face, this very happy. And she left Walton, she went to the Central. She got to that way to there, and then once she got to that there, she went to the airport, because then we took some of the best ones.
Yeah.
And then she pushed a clerk, she comes back to Walton and again.
Oh, aye, so she does wages and that when they need support.
She signs on drivers and that.
Oh, right, okay.
That's office clerk. No, it's just the wages, the wages was clerk, isn't it? You're sign on clerk.
Aye.
And she plugs buses and all that, can answer the phone.
Aye. So she like does the help desk.
Aye.
It's like I wanted the 29 and what time is it due from this destination?
She was doing the desk at Malton or something. And she there actually again, and she was still about Jennings. I saw her there 2 weeks ago, got herself. She's too cheap, that's what's wrong with her. She fucking put his face up a wee bit.
Who is this?
I said, nah, keep them cheap. She's too cheap.
The rent cycle's a bit faster.
That. I can hear it.
Oh, that's the recirculation pump you're hearing.
He's better get closer to me fucking into the machine.
Yeah, I wish.
Have you got room to the Jersey?
Aye.
You listened to that machine, haven't you?
What?
You listened to the iPod.
Yeah, pretty much. That's what I'm trying to do, as much filming as I can.
You really got another one soon because you contacted me up with that last one.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'm just going to go to O2.
An iPad for them.
Yeah. Or I'll get something like maybe a Sony or Samsung, but I think I'll probably go with Samsung. Sony. Not an iPad. Because you're just paying for the name, really.
You know, you was a good one.
Yeah.
You was a good one.
It's the same as this.
Aye.
Just that mine was the iPad 2.
That was a good one.
This is iPad Air.
What's the difference?
It's just that this is a bit more updated. It's got like a fast lightning charger. It's got like the connections at the end are smaller, but that's the only difference. Aye. This is the last runs. Rinse through. How's your sausage roll wrap?
We have just here.
Oh,
The chip butty.
oh, nice.
It's very nice actually.
Have you got the HP sauce? The HP sauce.
No, it's a chip butty.
Or just a chip putty? Just a plain chip putty.
HB sauce is nice because it's over your hand.
Yeah, that's true. Unless if you hold it upside down.
What other hospital is it like? What do you go to?
The home hospital, that's what he wants.
I'm not happy because they're ready to take them here.
Yeah, they'll send him home when he's ready.
So they might tell me what to diet.
Well, they probably will. But then again, he has been eating a lot less.
I'm hospital.
No, I mean when he was at the house, because it's like there'll be days where it's just like, you would get his like say the carers come in and like make him a bit toast in the morning. You know, make him like say 2 bits of toast and give me one, and then you would have 1 bit, and then you would have maybe 1 roll for lunch, and then nothing for tea, or you might have like say something very small.
You don't like this grub.
Oh yeah, he used to, but he seems to have gone off his food. I mean, I would like make say a small fillet steak, some mashed tatties, and some peas or chips or something. And then he would like, oh, that's too much, and then he's left half of it.
I've always thought that day with the custard, the custard.
Aye.
They don't make themselves up, they don't drink nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
What show is she go on this?
I have no idea. But I know, I would imagine she's not happy with what he's been doing.
Oh, Dave, your sister.
Nah. I mean, he's fought all on himself.
You're right. But they leave it.
Yeah.
They used to like me, they seem to be better. They did.
Oh, yeah.
You see, they did like to go to the sea.
And he never bothered his bucky. Clarky, go and get me this. Clarky, get me that. Clarky, get me the shaver. Clarky, get me a cup of tea. Clarky, get my plates for me. Clarky, get my cloth. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. But then what I do is most days I actually sit on either on the computer or actually sit doing what I do best. Filming. Well, yeah. That's true.